stacked up together in grandiose patterns. But life is more complex and built to strict plans, from chemical recipes in DNA strands. Genes are sentences which describe functions and traits, like the shape, size, or stegosaurus plates. 10,000 years back, at the very start of farming, humans picked the traits that we found charming. Selective breeding took these best variations, refining over and over generations. And whatever the characteristic or colour, 'twas determined by genes in one way or another. Today we can use enzymes to snip DNA, so genes can be cut, pasted, moved any which way. Boost a gene, block a gene, bring a gene from elsewhere. Animal, bacteria or plant you can share. No, not quite like that. It requires more precision to make a genetically modified organism. Plants can be made far more persistent, pest, weed killer and harsh condition resistant. Oil crops, corn and rice have been made more nutritious. Virus-resistant squashes, no less auspicious. Hey, okay, dicing genes is undoubtedly clever, but has anyone asked about the whys and the whethers? The pros? Advance science and improve all the crops. The cons? Unforeseen issues and stumbling blocks. So are we cautious or Luddites if we stand in the way? Perhaps missing advancements that might save the nation is a precise way to make clever changes to DNA. It's no magic bullet for all the ills we've got, but as a technology, it's worth a shot. Most gene changes are very minor tweaks, a long way away from horror movie free. Salmon eat too much and grow far too slow. Adding Chinook genes could boost how fast they grow. Of course, not all GMO crops are for eating. There's other research that's proceeding. Plants engineered to replace oil, petros for short. More efficient sunshine conversion, that's what's sought. Might store their excess energy as oil in bean. Whether this can replace all fuel remains to be seen. Trees can produce rubber, which is pretty elastic. The dream? To go further and produce tree-grown plastic. A weed with bacterial enzymes, a solution. To degrade TNT, cleaning blast site pollution. This crop of new ideas sounds pretty astounding. So why do critics give gene tech such a pounding? The us and them is a constant frustration. How do we agree in this situation?